good morning, namaste, welcome to my new video. This is a complete different video. Today I'm going to tell you or show you or how to install the max lens mode in HERO9 or HERO10. This is a complete different kind of video. This is not a travel video, but I use GoPro for my vlogging. I recently bought max lens mode from gopro.com. Which is compatible for HERO10 and HERO9, and it's waterproof, 16 feet, up to 16 feet or 5 meter. It has a max hyper smooth feature and the max time wrap feature. Also, it has a horizontal lock. Oh, it is also compatible with the HERO11 black. So I'm not going to tell much more feature here, but what I'm going to show you here is how to install the GoPro max lens mode in HERO9. Okay. So it has a small teeny silicon box here. So it comes with a small silicon box. Yes. Oh wow. So this is the max lens mode. So nice. It looks so beautiful. I mean, the case is really beautiful. It's a silicon case. It comes with this kind of box. It has a written GoPro over here, and let me take this max lens one more time. So here you go. Oh, whoa, it has a little kind of like popped lens in the front. So I think the major drawback will be like it can expose to any kind of scratch. There is high chances it can be scratched. So I think we need to be careful. So let's go ahead and take off the lens out of this HERO9. This is my HERO9 GoPro. I'm going to take off the lens first. So I have seen a lot of other videos that will explain how to take off the lens, but I think it's not that much complicated. If it's kind of little bit difficult, you guys can take anything like credit card or minus sign, screwdriver, but it's like you have to lift it up and twist it, and it will come out like this. So it's not that much difficult, but yeah, if it is difficult for you guys to take this off, it's as simple as that. You'll have to lift little bit up and then twist it, and here you go. And the same process while you are putting it back. Same. So I would say, I mean, if it is difficult, you guys have to like lift this section little bit up using the credit card or any minus screwdriver, and same on this side, and then rotate the lens cap anti-clockwise. Lift it up and it comes here. Yep. So I have taken off the existing lens, and I'm going to install the max lens mode now here. Let's take this off. Yep. And let's check first how they look. This is the old one, this is the new one, and see if they are identical. I think this side should go here, and this one should go here. That's it. Here we go. Now the camera looks a little bit bigger and a little bit more weight, but this is how you install the max lens mode in. And then if you have to take it off, it it's just like you rotate it anti-clockwise and lift it up. The same. Here we go. All set to go. It's so easy. Just rotate anti-clockwise, and while installing, rotate it clockwise. And all. Here we go, and then your device is ready to go. Let me put one battery over here. Let's check if I have the batteries or not. Okay. I think this batteries, I don't know which one works, but I do have a lot of batteries here. These batteries are not good. I mean, if you're exposed to cold, they got damaged so quick. I don't like the batteries. So here we go. Let's do this. Let's not set the time now. Let's go with whatever we have. Time, I'll just set some random time now. Ooh, this is super wide. Let me make this linear. What is the leveling? Oh, I don't have the SD card, but yeah, I'm ready to record it. Looks like it's working fine. The problem I see is here it's exposed for scratching, so you need to be careful. You need to handle it with care. Yep. Wrapping up the video, this is how it looks like when max lens mode is installed in a GoPro. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment, and thank you again. Bye bye, have a good day. Thank you again.